9 Signs of Hidden Sexual Chemistry. Have you ever experienced a moment where a spark ignited during a conversation, a glance, or even a touch? It's that inexplicable connection, an unspoken language between two individuals that hints at something more than mere friendship. This elusive phenomenon is what we often refer to as sexual chemistry. In this article, we will embark on a journey to understand the intricacies of hidden sexual chemistry by exploring 9 compelling signs. 1. The power of attraction. Attraction is the magnetic force that draws two people closer. It's the initial step towards identifying hidden sexual chemistry. Attraction, in this context, doesn't solely refer to physical appeal, but encompasses a more profound connection. When you find yourself irresistibly drawn to someone, when their presence evokes excitement and curiosity, you may be experiencing the first sign of hidden sexual chemistry. Attraction transcends the superficial, touching upon shared interests, emotional resonance, and an unspoken understanding. It's that magnetic pull that makes you want to know more about the other person, to delve into their thoughts and emotions. Attraction lays the foundation for sexual tension, setting the stage for what may come. 2. Navigating through awkwardness. Contrary to popular belief, sexual chemistry isn't always smooth sailing from the get-go. In fact, it often starts amidst a sea of awkwardness. When attraction blooms, it can leave us feeling vulnerable and uncertain. We might find ourselves at a loss for words, worrying about saying the wrong thing or fearing rejection. This awkwardness is a paradoxical sign of sexual chemistry. It arises from the anticipation of something more significant, the desire to make a meaningful impression on the other person. It's a stage where you're still deciphering your own emotions and gauging the other person's reactions. While awkwardness can be attributed to shyness, it can also be an indicator of burgeoning sexual attraction. 3. The lightning-quick connection. Hidden sexual chemistry often manifests as an intense and immediate connection. Picture this: you've just met someone, and yet it feels like you've known them for a lifetime. The conversation flows effortlessly, like two puzzle pieces clicking into place. This chemistry, this inexplicable bond, is the 3rd sign of hidden sexual chemistry. This connection extends beyond common interests and shared hobbies. It's a meeting of souls, a sense of familiarity that defies logic. It's when you both resonate on the same frequency, communicating without words, and sharing a profound understanding. This instantaneous connection is a strong indication of the presence of sexual chemistry. 4. Similarities that bind. While the saying "opposites attract" holds true in some instances, hidden sexual chemistry often leans towards the like attracts like principle. Beyond the immediate connection, you may notice striking similarities between you and the other person. These similarities encompass a broad spectrum, from shared interests and hobbies to emotional responses and goals in life. This phenomenon, known as assortative mating, is when individuals bond based on observed similarities. It suggests that these shared qualities, whether physical or emotional, contribute to the magnetic attraction that forms the basis of sexual chemistry. Recognizing these similarities can offer insights into the depth of the connection you share with someone. 5. Racing hearts and sweaty palms. Physical reactions can be some of the most telling signs of hidden sexual chemistry. Do you find your heart racing when that special person is around? Do your palms become slightly sweaty? These physiological responses are often associated with attraction, and they are the 5th sign on our journey to unraveling sexual chemistry. A 2022 study revealed that individuals mutually attracted to each other experience simultaneous increases and decreases in heart rates and sweaty palms during blind dates. This physical response can be attributed to the release of hormones like adrenaline and norepinephrine. which are triggered by attraction and excitement. Hence, the racing hearts and sweaty palms serve as a tangible indicator of hidden sexual chemistry. 6. A touch that ignites. Physical touch is a powerful language of its own, and it plays a significant role in deciphering hidden sexual chemistry. When both individuals find themselves naturally drawn to engage in physical contact, it signifies a heightened level of attraction. These touches can be subtle, like the brush of a hand or a gentle touch on the arm, yet they hold the potential to ignite sparks of chemistry. The significance lies not just in the physical act of touch, but in the shared excitement and anticipation that it generates. When both parties are responsive to these touches, it indicates a mutual desire to connect on a deeper level. Physical contact becomes a conduit for exploring the boundaries of hidden sexual chemistry. 7. Inseparable companions. Do you and the other person find it impossible to get enough of each other? Do your conversations stretch into the late hours of the night, leaving you both wanting more? The 7th sign of hidden sexual chemistry manifests in the sheer enjoyment of each other's company. This enjoyment goes beyond casual friendship. It's a feeling of immediate comfort, a sense of security in each other's presence. You might even find yourselves reluctant to part ways, dreading the moment when you have to say goodbye. While these signs could also signify a deep friendship, when combined with attraction, they serve as strong indicators of sexual tension. 8. Flirting in conversations. As your conversations continue to flow effortlessly, you might notice a playful undertone emerging. The dialogue becomes flirtatious, with subtle innuendos, playful banter, and compliments weaving through your interactions. This is the 8th sign of hidden sexual chemistry. Flirting, in this context, is more than just a means of amusement. It's a form of communication that indicates a mutual attraction and interest in taking the connection to a more intimate level. The playfulness in your conversations acts as a bridge, gradually paving the way for a deeper connection to flourish. 9. Lingering thoughts and anticipation. The final sign of hidden sexual chemistry is one that lingers long after you've parted ways. You find yourself continually thinking about the other person, replaying your conversations, and relishing the moments you shared. Their image and presence seem to occupy your thoughts, even when you're engaged in other activities. This ongoing fascination and anticipation for future encounters are potent indicators of attraction and sexual chemistry. It signifies that the connection you've forged extends beyond the surface, sparking a desire for more profound emotional and physical connections. In conclusion, hidden sexual chemistry is a complex interplay of emotions, connections, and physical responses. It's a mysterious force that draws two individuals together, setting the stage for a deeper and more meaningful connection. While these 9 signs serve as valuable indicators, it's crucial to remember that sexual chemistry should always be a consensual and mutually shared experience. Navigating this intricate landscape can lead to exciting and fulfilling relationships when both parties are attuned to the signals of attraction and desire. Understanding these signs can help you recognize and embrace the potential for hidden sexual chemistry in your interactions with others. As you embark on your own journey of discovery, keep in mind that the path to meaningful connections is filled with twists, turns, and delightful surprises, waiting to be unveiled by those who dare to explore the depths of attraction and desire.